In this video, I'll show you how to play Xbox classic games on Xbox 360 jtag. Before we start, you need the Xbox One compatibility files. You can download them from provided sources. You need also the FTP program and an original Xbox game ISO file, like black for this example, and the Excel GUI to extract the ISO contents, but you can use another thing to extract it, like Power ISO or something else. Now, head to the official website of the Xbox One compatibility files and connect your Xbox 360 hard drive to your PC via FTP, SATA, or transfer cable. Access the HDD, open HDD1, and locate the folder HDD compatibility. Copy the downloaded compatibility files into this folder, and on the root of your HDD, create a new folder. This is where all the ripped original Xbox game files will go. Now, open XISO GUI on your PC and select the folder where you want to extract the game files. Add the ISO to XISO GUI, ensuring System Update folder is copied. Just click Go to begin the extraction and watch for completion, as there is no notification sound. Now, for the final step, once the ISO is ripped, copy the extracted game folder to Xbox One. Use FTP or USB drive to transfer files. Reboot your jtag Xbox 360 and set up a new game path in your dashboard. Set the depth to 10 and navigate to the Xbox Classic tab in your dashboard. Select the game from the list and hit play. Now all you're set and you're ready to relive the nostalgia of original Xbox classics on your jtag Xbox 360. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.